Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 4 power 2x plus 3 equal 9 power 2x plus 3 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So 4 power 2x plus 3 equal 9 power 2x plus 3. So if I'll divide both sides by 9 power 2x plus 3, so this will cancel out and gives 1. So 4 power 2x plus 3 by 9 power 2x plus 3 equal 1. Now as per exponent rule, a power m by b power m, we can write it as a by b whole power m. So this becomes 4 by 9 whole power 2x plus 3 equal 1. Now as per exponent rule, a power 0 is equals to 1. So we can write in place of 1 any number power equals to 0. So that means if I'll write 4 power 9 equals 0, this is equals to 1. So in place of 1 I can replace this. Now if we compare both sides, if the base are equal, their power are also equal. So 2x plus 3 equals 0. So 2x equal minus 3, x equal minus 3 by 2. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.